Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to continue chapter Stars and Solar System. Two topics were left for teaching, that were meteors and meteorites and artificial satellites. Firstly, you should know about meteors. Meteors are small solid bodies revolving around the sun, and when they enter from the outer space to the earth atmosphere, due to high speed there is friction, and this friction is between the atmosphere and the high speed of the meteor, due to which huge amount of heat energy is generated, and it looks like a ball of fire. So you have seen, children, small solid bodies revolving around the sun is called meteor. When it enters the Earth's atmosphere from the outer space, due to high speed, there is friction, and high amount of heat energy is produced, due to which it appears like a ball of fire. It is also called falling star or shooting star. Some large meteors that reaches the surface of the earth is called meteorites. Now you should know about the satellites and artificial satellites. Satellites are the heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. You have studied about the natural satellite, like the earth has natural satellite, that is moon. Now you will see the artificial satellites are man-made satellites which revolve around the earth. These artificial satellites are very useful. They perform various tasks, like they help in radio, telephone, television transmission, they help in mineral location, and they are also useful in the prediction of weather. So, artificial satellites perform various tasks. Now, you should know about geostationary satellite. Geo means earth, stationary means fixed. The satellites which are man-made and which appear to remain fixed with respect to a particular point on the surface of the earth is called geostationary satellite. They are put in maximum use. They revolve around the earth in two orbits. They may revolve in equatorial orbit. When they revolve parallel to the equator, it is called equatorial orbit, and when they revolve around the earth from pole to pole, it is called polar orbit. So these geostationary satellites help in global communication, and they are also revolving in two orbits, that is polar orbit and equatorial orbit. Now children, you should know that the first artificial satellite that was launched in India was Aryabhat. It was launched in 1975. The other artificial satellites are Apple, INSAT, Rohini, etc. Now I will discuss question answer. One astronaut, Indian astronaut, who lost her life while going to the space, what was her name? Can you say, children? She was Kalpana Chawla. She was Indian, so we should salute her. Now, question number 1, fill in the blanks. You have to write in book with pencil. The spiral-shaped galaxy in which our solar system is located is known as the Milky Way galaxy. Next, the various shapes of the bright part of the moon as seen by us during the month are called phases of the moon. Third, the temperature on moon ranges from 100 degrees Celsius at noon to minus 173 degrees Celsius at night. Fourth number, the planet known to have the largest number of natural satellites as at present is Jupiter. Next, the comet which visits the Earth every 76 years is the Halley's Comet. Sixth number, asteroids are found between the orbits of dash and dash. You have to write Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Now match the following. Star nearest to the Earth, Sun. Brightest star in the night sky, Sirius. Now, star which appear stationary from the Earth, pole star. Next, constellation, Orion. The largest asteroid, you can write Ceres. Sixth number, global communication, geostationary satellite. Now, tick the correct option. Question number A. A star is 20 light years away from the Earth. Suppose it brightens up suddenly today. After how much time shall we see this change? You have to solve it. If you will be not able to solve, then I will tell you the correct answer. Okay, children? Now, second question. 3 stars A, B and C are observed in the night sky. The colors of these stars are star A blue color, star B red color, star C white color. The correct sequence in terms of the increasing order of their surface temperature is, children, you know that the color of the star depends on surface temperature. If the temperature is less, the star is of red color. If the temperature is more, then star is white colored. And if the temperature is maximum, then the star is of blue color. So you can arrange it. Correct answer is star B, then star C, then star A is greater. Okay, last option is correct. Star B is less than star C and star C is less than star A. Last option is correct. Now, question number 3. Stars like the sun appear to move from east to west around the earth. This means that the earth rotates from west to east. Correct option is west to east. Question number 4. Phases of moon are observed because, correct option is, it is only sunlight reflected by some parts of the moon that reaches the earth. Okay. Question number 5. The change in season on the earth occurs because, last option, because the axis of rotation of the earth is perpendicular to the plane of its orbit. Next question. Question number 6. The diagram shows the various positions of a comet in its orbit. In which position will the tail of the comet will appear to be longest? Position A is correct because it is nearest to the sun. Question number D1. Name the first 2 stars closest to us. You can write first star is the sun and second is the Alpha Centauri. Name the brightest star in the sky. During daytime it is the sun and during night time it is Sirius. Now D3. Identify the planet with the help of the given clue. Largest planet, Jupiter. Closest to the sun, Mercury. This planet has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. You have to write Mars. Red planet, Mars. Has a unique and special system of ring. It is Saturn. Then has the largest number of moon. It is Jupiter. Question number DG. Often known as morning or evening star. Morning and evening star, you can write 2 names, Mercury and Venus. Last question. Named after the Roman sea god. It is Neptune. Now define the following. Milky Way, celestial objects, pole star, constellation, asteroids. All these definitions are given in the keywords. You can take help of keywords. Next question. D5. Name the visible layer of the sun. Photosphere. Give an estimate of its temperature. It is 6000 Kelvin. Now E1. How is pole star located in the sky? Explain with a diagram. Pole star is located in northern hemisphere. It is always in north direction. So it is used by the travelers to know the direction. Page number 305. Pole star appears to be fixed at one place. The pole star lies on a line close to the axis of rotation of the earth. It defines the north direction, and diagram is given in page number 305. Next question. Differentiate between the following giving examples. Stars and constellations. All these differences you can write in tabular form. Like star is a luminous body. Then constellations are the group of stars which form recognizable pattern or shape. Then one side you can write star, example the sun. On the other side constellation, example Orion, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, anyone. Next, stars and planets. Again you can write stars are made up of gases. They are luminous objects. They have their own light and they are dot-like, point-like. On the other side you can write planets. Planets are disc-shaped. Stars are numerous in number. Planets are only 8 in number. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. At the end you can give some examples like star, the sun, and planet Mercury, Venus, anyone. Then terrestrial planets and Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets are nearer to the sun. They are smaller in size and they have rocky surface. And on the other side, Jovian planets are larger in size. They are farther from the sun and they are largely made up of gases. Then at the end you can give example of terrestrial planet like Mercury, Venus, and Jovian planet you can write Jupiter, Saturn, any example. Now next is artificial and natural satellites. Artificial satellites are man-made satellites which revolve around the earth, and natural satellites are not man-made, they are natural. Example the moon. Artificial satellite, example Aryabhat. Now question number E3. Identify and name the constellation X, Y and Z and answer the following question. Constellation X is Orion, Y is Ursa Minor and Z is Cassiopeia. Now question number 3A. Name the constellation that can be used to locate star Sirius. You can write constellation X because it is a star of Orion. Next B. Name the constellation that can be used to locate the pole star. Constellation Y. Name the constellation. Question number C. Name the constellation visible during the spring season. You can write constellation Y. Then winter season you can write constellation X and constellation Z. Now 3D. Name the star A. Star A is Betelgeuse and B in constellation X. B is Sirius. Sirius or Regal, let me see. B is Regal. Sorry children, it is Regal. A is Betelgeuse. B is Regal. Now question number 4. Give reason for the following. Uranus is observed to have a blue-green color. You can write due to presence of methane gas. Uranus is blue-green color due to presence of methane gas in its atmosphere. Now question number B, 4B. Venus is the hottest planet even though Mercury is closest to the Sun. Because of high percentage of carbon dioxide due to greenhouse effect, Venus is the hottest planet even though Mercury is closest to the Sun. Next, why the shape and size of bright side of moon appears to change every day? The bright side of the moon appears to change every day due to the change in the relative position of the earth, sun and the moon. Due to change in the relative position of the earth, sun and the moon. Page number 308, third paragraph, this answer is given. Page number 308, third paragraph, answer is given. Next question. A star appears to rise 4 minutes earlier in the sky every day than the previous day. Okay? It is because of the rotation of the earth at its axis and revolution of the earth around the sun. Okay? The same star appears to rise 4 minutes earlier in the sky every day due to rotation of the earth about its axis and revolution of the earth around the sun. It is given in page number 304, second paragraph. Due to revolution of the earth around the sun and its rotation about its own axis, the same star rises 4 minutes earlier after each day. Next question. Comets become visible when they are near the sun. Because you know children, comets are icy celestial bodies. When they come near the sun, the ice vaporizes and the dust particle is freed, and this gas which is vaporized by the ice, that gas and the dust particle together form illuminating tail, and the comets are visible when they are near the sun. It is given in page number, you can underline, when the comets are near the sun, the ice vaporizes and the dust particle is freed. This gas and the dust particle together form illuminating tail and the comets become visible. Page number 318. Last paragraph, third line. The answer is starting from third line, 3-4 lines are there. Okay. Now, question number 5. State in brief how artificial satellites are used in transmitting television programs over large distances. It is given in page number 320, third paragraph. A satellite receives a microwave signal from a ground station on the earth. Its amplifier amplifies it, and thereafter the transmitters retransmit the signal back to a receiving station on the earth at a different frequency. So, your question answer is complete, children. With this, your syllabus is also complete. Now, revision will take place. Firstly, you will revise this chapter. So, next day, I will ask you questions from this chapter. You will revise this chapter thoroughly and you will write question answer and you will memorize it. Thank you, children.